welcome back to my channel. I have new hair, surprise! Just over a week ago, I had like 4 days off from work for the Easter weekend and I decided to change my hair. I do also need to tell you guys that I did this last week, so the colour, since then I have fully done a hair treatment, you know, washed, conditioned, shampooed my hair, all of that. So a lot of the pink has faded from the top, which is why it doesn't look as great as it did. Yeah, so I guess when I redo my undercut, I'm gonna have to redo the pink of my hair. Pink is pretty high maintenance. So I did pre-lighten my hair before this video. I did 2 sessions of bleaching, which was just powder bleach with 20-vol peroxide. So I did that twice. Then I coloured my hair, and then since then I have fully washed, shampooed and conditioned my hair, so the pink has really faded out from the top a little bit more than it was last week. I've been dyeing my hair since like 2007 or something like that, so it's a pretty long time that I've been dyeing my hair all sorts of different colours. My husband likes to help me with my hair. You can tell the pink is sort of half taken. Pink never really takes well with my hair. So it's sort of like a orangey, reddish pink colour, and then it does go down into the pink, and then I've got sick blue. Blue's what I had before, but yeah, I just changed the top, got rid of all my really bad regrowth. Stay tuned because next time I'm going to cut my bangs. You know what you're doing?
Sort of trained in the high mountains of bullshit. You know what? Who's the hairdresser here? Who's the dye artist? The dye artist. Huh?
I said your hands are gonna get fucked up.
Yeah. No shit. That's why I want gloves.
Well, I gave
Yeah, gloves that couldn't fit.
you guys did like this video. Just like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video because I'm going to cut my bangs.